We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Volvo XC60 hybrid with a Halo Mini immobiliser. So when the customer leaves the vehicle, if you watch the lock, we get 2 flashes from the light and the system's now active. So if a thief copied this key, started the vehicle up, they're going to be unable to drive away and put it in gear. So if you watch, the vehicle won't go into gear. Just go into neutral and then straight back into park because it needs a PIN code. So what we'll do, pop the customer's PIN code in, receive a flash from the lock light, and then we can drive away. Vehicle goes into gear. Once again, when the customer leaves the vehicle, 2 flashes and the system's active again. If the customer wants to take this for a service, obviously the system will be armed. They'll get in the vehicle, not starting it, so they keep their foot off the brake, hold the start button round for 10 seconds on the Volvos to get the ignition on. Then the customer will pop their code in. They get 1 flash to confirm it, but on the last press to put it in service mode, we'll hold the button for 10 seconds and receive 5 flashes. Now we got them, we'll turn the car off. When you leave the vehicle, see, we don't get 2 flashes, the system doesn't activate. And when it's at Volvo in service mode, they'll start it up and it will go straight into gear. No need for a push sequence, the system's completely deactivated. The way you turn it back on when you want it secure again, as before, foot off the brake, hold the start button, round for 10 seconds on the Volvos to get the ignition on. Now with the lights on, we'll pop our code in, and on the last one we'll hold it, wait 10 seconds, and we're going to get 1 flash to confirm the system's back on. So now we'll turn the car off. When we open the door, 2 flashes, it's active. Now if we start it up, it's not going to go into gear. The customer can obviously set their own code on this, completely up to them, whatever they choose. So once again, the code we've got for now, 1, 2, 3, 4, get a flash and drive off. We're Immobiliser Fit, this is a Halo Mini on an XC60 hybrid 2021. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.